Hello and welcome to Sounds of Phonics. I'm Miss Shirley. Today we're going to do CH says ch, ch, ch like a choo-choo train. CH says ch, ch, ch. Ch, I, n, chin. This is your chin. Ch, I, n, chin. Knock at the door, beep in. Lift the latch, walk in. Take a chair, sit down there and say, "Hello, Mr. Chinny Chin Chin." You have to say it in a gruff voice. "Hello, Mr. Chinny Chin Chin." That's so funny. Chip-a chip, chip-a chip. I like to eat, eat, eat crispy chips. I like to eat, eat, eat crispy chips. Potato chips. Rich, rich, rich. He's rich. He has lots of money, lots of gold, lots of jewelry, a big house. But he's not rich in love. He doesn't have love. He doesn't love and he doesn't have a family. So you can be rich in one way and not rich in another way. So treasure your family. Chop-a chop, chop-a chop. Chopping the carrots. I'm chopping with a big knife. Chop, 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 chop. Chat, 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 chat. The mommies on the bus go chat, 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 chat. The mommies on the bus go chat, chat, chat all day long. Much, 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 much. I love you so much. Skinnamarink-y, inky-doo, skinnamarink-y-doo. I love you. Skinnamarink-y, inky-doo, skinnamarink-y-doo. I love you. I love you in the morning and in the afternoon. I love you in the evening and underneath the moon. Skinnamarink-y, inky-doo, skinnamarink-y-doo. I love you. And that's a beautiful song. You can sing it to mommy and daddy. Punch, 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 punch. Now this is my hand, but I can make a fist. This is my fist. And then I can punch you with my fist. Bam, bam, bam. Bench, 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 bench. We're sitting on the bench in the park and looking at the butterflies and the birds and hearing the birds sing. Bunch, 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 bunch. I can see a big bunch of bananas. There they are, hanging in the tree. Bit long ones, short ones, yellow ones, green ones, big bananas. Bunch, bunch, lunch, lunch. I'm eating my lunch. I'm having my lunch today. Finch, 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 finch. A finch is a type of bird. Chill, chill. Chill. I have a chill. I'm feeling cold or a little something that is, it's a chilly wind. That means not spicy chili, but chill means also cold. Okay? Such, such, such. It's such a lovely day today. Chick, chick, chick. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O, and on that farm he had some chicks. E-I-E-I-O, with a chick chick here and a chick chick there. Here a chick, there a chick, everywhere a chick chick. Like chick chick, cheep cheep. Everywhere a chick chick. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. Munch, 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 munch. I'm munching. I'm munching chewing gum. I'm munching my food. It's good to munch your food, okay? You have to bite it and munch it. Chicken and a chicken. Chicken and a chicken. I'm a bow-legged chicken and a knock-kneed hen. Never been so happy since I don't know when. I walk with a wiggle and a waddle and a quack, doing the Tennessee wig walk. You like that song? It's funny. I'm a bow-legged chicken and a knock-kneed hen. Never been so happy since I don't know when. I walk with a wiggle and a waddle and a quack squawk, doing the Tennessee wig walk. Per-inch-a pinch, per-inch-a pinch. Inch me and pinch me went for a walk. Inch me died, who's left? Pinch me. So when you say pinch me, I will pinch you like this. That's a joke. Okay, you can play it on your friend, but don't pinch hard. Okay, chimp, chimp. Chimp is a type of monkey. He's a naughty chimp. Trench, trench. The soldiers are in the trenches and they're using their guns to shoot the enemies. So they conceal themselves or they hide in the trenches. Chuff, chuff, chuff. Trains are chuffing up the hill. Cha-cha-cha, cha-cha-cha. Trains are chuffing up the hill. Cha-cha-choo-choo-choo. Cha-cha-choo-choo-choo. Chuff, 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 chuff. Chest, chest. I have the doctor has her stethoscope. The stethoscope looks like this. And then with this part, he listens to your chest. And this is my chest. And then he'll listen to how I breathe, if my lungs are okay, and my heart is okay, and my heartbeat. Check. I'm going to check your work. Check. Champ. We are the champions, my friend. We're going to fight till the end, and we're going to be the champions. Hunch. He's a hunchback of Notre Dame. He's very, very tired, and his back is bent. That means hunched. His back is not straight like this. It's hunched. Chess. Let's play chess. Okay? It's a very, very good game to play, chess. Crunch. Crunch. We're eating crunchy chips. Children. Children. They are naughty children. We are the world. We are the children. We are the ones who make a brighter day. So let's start giving. So we are the children, and we have to give to the children. Chunk. Chunk. That's a big chunk, a big piece of meat. Chug. Oh, there's a beautiful song with Chug, and I'm, one second, chug along, choo-choo. Toot, 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 toot. Toot, toot, the choo-choo is coming. Now listen, everyone. Toot, toot, the choo-choo is coming. It's gonna be lots of fun. Toot, toot. Chug along, chug along, chug along, toot toot, chug along, choo choo choo. Chug along, chug along, chug along, toot toot, chug along, choo choo choo. Okay, the choo choo is coming. Now listen, everyone. Okay, we're gonna chug along. Drench. Drench. I'm fully drenched in the rain. I'm fully wet in the rain. Now we're going to read from the beginning to the end, the first sound to the last sound, and we're making all those choo-choo, chug-along trains, okay? Remember the first sound, last sound. First sound, last sound. chin, chin, chip, chip, rich, rich, chop, chop, chat, chat, much, much, punch, punch, bench, bench, bunch, bunch, lunch, lunch, finch, finch, chill, chill, such, such, chick, chick, munch, munch, chicken, chicken, pinch, pinch, chimp, chimp, trench, trench, chuff, chuff, chest, chest, check, check, champ, champ, hunch, hunch, chess, chess, crunch, crunch, children, children, chunk, chunk, chug, chug, drench, drench. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.